To use Kling O3 for high-motion videos in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. Kling O3 is designed for cinematic motion, meaning it handles movement, character consistency, and camera dynamics much better than standard AI video models. Once inside the generator, select Kling O3 video from the model list. After that, choose your generation mode. You can use text to video if you're starting from scratch, image to video if you want to animate a still image, or video to video if you want to enhance or restyle existing footage. If you are using image or video references, upload them at this stage. These references help the model understand your subject, motion direction, and overall scene structure. Next, write a prompt that focuses heavily on motion. This is very important for high motion results. Instead of only describing the scene, include movement details such as running, fast camera tracking, dynamic action, shaking camera effects, or rapid environmental changes. Kling O3 responds strongly to clear motion instructions, especially when you describe how the camera and subject should move. After that, adjust your settings. Increase motion strength if you want more intense movement, and choose camera movements like tracking shots, handheld motion, or cinematic pans. You can also set duration between 3 to 15 seconds depending on how long you want the action sequence to be. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will process your prompt and create a motion-driven video with improved physics and smoother character consistency. When the result is ready, preview it carefully. If the motion feels too slow or not dynamic enough, refine your prompt by adding stronger action words or increasing motion intensity. Then generate again. Finally, download your video once you're satisfied with the movement, timing, and cinematic quality. And that's how you use Kling O3 for high-motion videos in Artlist AI. Select the model, focus your prompt on movement, adjust motion settings, generate, and refine until you achieve smooth, dynamic cinematic action.